Welcome to every girl's dream who loves country farmhouse. Let's dream together. This is actually a kitchen island. I think every farmhouse, country farmhouse, should have this kind of area. Oh my god, this is a must if you have the money, of course. Guys, I love this area so much. It's so pretty and so like country. Just beautiful. And this would be me married with my future husband in my dream closet. Isn't this so beautiful, guys? So pretty. I think in here I would probably buy. What would you add in here? Let me know down below. And last look before we head home. Wait. That mirror and that drawer down there, oh, that can be done in every house. It's very pretty too.
Shake your body.